Imagine a nation longing for freedom. This was the 19th century Philippines, a time when Filipinos struggled under the oppressive rule of Spanish colonizer. The seed of nationalism were planted, watered by the lives and works of heroes like Dr. Jose Rizal. In 1956, the Philippines passed Republic Act Number 1425, commonly known as the Rizal Law. This act mandated the study of Rizal life, work, and writing in school to inspire patriotism and instill the ideas of freedom, justice, and nationalhood in the Filipino youth. Rizal influence, his writing exposed the injustice of Spanish rule, inspiring Filipinos to fight for freedom.
The spirit of nationalism was not unique to the Philippines. The 19th century saw waves of independence movements across the world, inspired by ideas of liberty, equality, and fraternity. These global movements influenced Filipino leaders like Rizal, Bonifacio, and Mabini. The Rizal Law emphasized that understanding our history is key to building a better future. Rizal's vision of a united, independent Philippines continues to resonate today, reminding us of the importance of education and critical thought in nation building. Freedom and liberty. Rizal advocated for Philippines' independence from Spain, emphasizing the importance of self-governance and individual rights. Education. He believed education was key to national progress and reform. Nationalism. Rizal envisioned the unified Filipino and identified transcending regional and ethnic divisions. Human rights. He championed equality, justice, and human dignity. 5. Patriotism. Love for country and sacrifice for the greater good.
Jose Protasio, Rizal Mercado. Why Alonso Riolando, our national hero, left an indelible mark on Philippine history. His life, work, and ideas continue to inspire generations today. We'll delve into Rizal's ideas and philosophies that shape early life and education. Rizal was born on June 19, 1861. In Calamba, Laguna. His early education exposed him to various philosophical and literary influences. He studied in Manila, Madrid, and Paris perspectives.
Dr. Jose Rizal once said, "He who does not know how to look back at where he came from will never get to his destination." The Rizal Law, theory of nationalism, and the history of 19th century Philippines remind us to honor our past as we strive toward a brighter, free future.
Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonso Riolando, our national hero, left an indelible mark on Philippines history. His life, works, and ideas continue to inspire generations. Today, we'll delve into Rizal's ideas and philosophies that shape our nation. Hashtag Early Life and Education. Rizal was born on June 19, 1861 in Calamba, Laguna. His early education exposed him to various philosophical and literary influence. He studied in Manila, Madrid, and Paris, broadening this perspective.